Hello everyone, I am Dr. Abha Kumari. Today we will discuss some definitions from the graph theory. I have given lots of PDF notes, okay, and here we will only understand what all the terms in PDF is given is, okay. So the first is walk. So what we mean by a walk? So length of a walk, here is first is length of a walk. Earlier I have discussed the walk, so today we will see the length of a walk. Okay. So in the length of a walk, let us first draw some figure. So we have the V1, V2, let V1, V2, then we have V3, okay. Then we have V4 and then V5. And we will join all these points this way, okay. I have drawn this way. I'm not giving the direction here, okay. I am just joining these points, V5, then V4 and then V5 and V4, V3, and also we can join V3, V5 and V4, V2, 5. So let us give the name as E1, here is E2, then we have E3, then we have E4, then we have this one as E5, and this edge as E6, and then we have E7. Fine. So here in this walk, here is how many vertices? We have 5 vertices, okay. And how many edges? 7 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertices, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. That is 7 edges. Fine. So here in this figure, if we want to define the walk, then how can we write the walk as? So walk like this, W is equals to V1 E1 से हम कहाँ जाते हैं? E2. Fine, E2. Then E2 to E6, मतलब कैसे भी हमें बस walk define करना है. So how can we define a walk just like this? So then we have E6, then E6 से हम गए. Now we have V1 to E1 walk, and then we move to V2. Here is V2. Then V2 we will reach E4. So how can we reach E4? By E6 edge. So I have written it E6, then V4. Okay. Then we want to come with V3. So let us come with E3. So E3 we will define E3 here. Then we will go for V5. So how can we reach the E5? As E5. So here the walk is taken as V1, V2, V4, V3 and then V5. So here is a walk, and walk we will define the like this. Okay. So here the question arises, what is the length of this walk? If we have taken this walk, the walk is for V1 to V2, V2 to V4, V4 to V3 and then V3 to V5. So if we want to find the length of this walk, then we can write like this, V1, E1, then V2, then E6, then V4, then E3, then V3, then E5, then V5 from this figure. So here this is known as the length of the walk, and the length of the walk is length of walk, and the length of walk is how much? So here we have the length of walk is 4. Okay. Why this is 4? So is 4 just because the length of the walk, okay, the length of the walk is the number of edges it contained with repeated edges counted. तो जिस walk में जितने number of edges होंगे हम उसके length को उसी से count करते हैं. तो यहाँ पे edges कितने हैं? E1 है, E6 है, E3 and E5. Only the 4 edges are counted here. So the length of the walk is 4. If we will repeat the edge here again by proceeding this one, then we again count this edge and we will write the 5, 6 or whatever. So here this age, okay, depends. It gives the length of the walk. अब the question arises here as what is the closed walk and the open walk? Fine. The closed walk is known as a walk in which we will start up with V1, and if we end with V1, then we'll say that is a closed walk, and we start with the V1 and we end up with the some another vertices, then it is known as the open walk. Example of open walk from this figure. So here in the open walk we will write like this: V1, E1, V2, then E2, then V3, E3, okay, then V4, then comma, next is E6, then V2, then E7, then V5, then E5, V7, E3, V4, E4, V5. Okay, and we'll close this one. So what you see here is first we start with the V1. Okay, then E1, then V2, then E2, then V3, then E3, E3 to E4. Then after E4 we have E6. So E4, after E4, V4, we have E6. E6 to, we'll reach to V2. Now V2 to E7, E7 to V5, V5 to E5. So we will again go with this edge E5, and again we reach to V7. Okay, not V3. Sorry, here is V3. So V3, and after V3 we have E3, and E3 to V4. This one V4, and V4 to E4, and then V5. So this way we have taken this A. So here what we see, the length is starting from the V1 and we end up with V5. So this is known as the open walk. Okay, and if we want to write is the closed walk, then in the closed walk we will start with the edge V2, E7, V5, E5, V3, V2, V2, and we close this one. So here we start with the V2 and we again end with the V2. So this type of walk is known as the closed walk.